Bullish Mana value expectation is 33 cents to $1.61. Decentraland cost could likewise reach $2 soon. Mana negative market cost expectation for 2022 is 29 cents. In Decentraland cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Mana to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Decentraland current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Decentraland is 32 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $35,095,055 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Mana has diminished by almost 0.4% as of now. Besides, Decentraland has a coursing supply of 1,817,560,024 Mana. At present, Decentraland exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and FMFW.io. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is the local badge of Decentraland, a decentralized computer-generated simulation stage. Mana was sent off in 2017 as an ERC20 token. Clients buy different in-game resources utilizing Mana. They additionally get casting a ballot rights by holding Decentraland tokens. Decentraland sends two distinct tokens, Mana and Land. Mana fills in as the administration token and advanced cash of the task. Land are the local non-fungible tokens that address the plots of the metaverse. The special highlights of Decentraland convinced well-known brands to introduction to the metaverse. Beginning from Samsung to JP Morgan, they laid out their ventures in Decentraland. Curiously, crypto lovers from Arizona embraced Decentraland to organize their first metaverse marriage. The above diagram of Mana laid a falling wedge. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which associates the highs and the lower pattern line which interfaces the lows unite downwards. The wedge design overall shows a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example demonstrates a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. Right now, Decentraland is in the scope of 32 cents. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Mana could arrive at the opposition levels of 33 cents and 41 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Mana might tumble to 29 cents. Decentraland backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Decentraland. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Decentraland. Resistance level 161 cents. Resistance level 2 $1.07. Resistance level 3 $1.61. Support level 32 cents. The diagrams show that Decentraland has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, Mana could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $1.61. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Decentraland could dive to nearly 32 cents, a negative sign. Decentraland value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Decentraland is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Mana lies beneath the end line, showing more fragile members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Decentraland is displayed in the graph above. Presently, Mana is in a negative state. Remarkably, Decentraland cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Mana whenever. In the meantime, the general strength list of the Mana is 37.07. This implies that Decentraland is in an almost oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Mana might happen in the impending days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Decentraland value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Decentraland. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Decentraland. Right now, ADX of Mana lies in the scope of 48.57, so it demonstrates major areas of strength for it. The above outline additionally addresses the general instability record of Decentraland. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Mana lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Decentraland is at 37.07, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Mana with BTC, ETH. The beneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Decentraland. From the above diagram, we can decipher the value changes of BTC, ETH, and Mana are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and MANA additionally increment or lessening individually. Decentraland Value Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Decentraland could presumably accomplish $3 by 2023. Decentraland Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Decentraland could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, MANA could revitalize to hit $4 by 2024. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. If Decentraland supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, MANA would mobilize to hit $5. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. If Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, MANA would mobilize to hit $7. Decentraland Value Expectation 2027. If Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, MANA would energize to hit $9. Decentraland Value Forecast 2028. Notwithstanding the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, if Decentraland holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could drive huge cost rallies. Hence, by 2028, MANA would hit $11. Decentraland Value Forecast 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Decentraland, it would observe significant spikes. MANA could hit $13 by 2029. Decentraland Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Decentraland biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into MANA for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Decentraland could hit $15 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the Decentraland organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for MANA. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Decentraland in 2022 is $1.61. Then again, the negative value expectation of Decentraland cost expectation for 2022 is 29 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Decentraland biological system, the presentation of MANA would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $5.85 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $2 assuming the financial backers accept that MANA is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Decentraland? MANA is the local cryptographic money of Decentraland, a blockchain-based metaverse. Decentraland was sent off in 2017. Clients can buy and exchange resources the Decentraland biological system utilizing MANA. 2. Where could you at any point buy Decentraland? Decentraland has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and FMFW.io. 3. Will Decentraland come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Decentraland stage, MANA has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Decentraland?